Well, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the freewheel clutch of a generator or alternator on almost any car. It's almost the same process. In this case we have a Kia Ceed 2013 1.6 liter CRDi, this diesel engine. This is how it sounds like. You can hear. We start by removing this to get better access to things. So you know, there is the generator. We have to disconnect the battery for safety. And the belt will be removed also. And then we will have better access to the alternator. We disconnect the cables. And I like first to remove the positive one. So if anything like wrong happens, so we still have ground. But it's maybe more safe to remove the negative first. Because if it touches something in the car, so the whole like chassis is negative. So like it's up to you. But if you are sure that this will not touch anything, so you can remove it first. The wheel is removed now. So we have this plastic cover and it has 1, 2 plastic like screws, and there, if you see, 1, 2 10mm screws. So we're gonna remove them. Everything is removed now, so we can pull this. This is how it looks like. So as you see, 10mm, and 2 like plastic screws, or like this type, you know. So here we have the tensioner, and it's a 40mm like knot that is attached to it. So we can loosen, like we are loosening a knot. We can take it like this and remove the belt. So it's gonna go up, up, up. And now we have the belt free. I don't want to remove it the whole way. And here is also important to take a picture of how it was sitting, so you know when you put it back how to put it. And otherwise I have another video about like the same car and how to put, or how to like change the belt, and you can see how it's sitting. As you see here, we have one bolt here and one here, and we have the 2 cables, the big ones that are going to the alternator. That one there that is protected, and the other one. So I moved a few things from here. I disconnected the alternator, like this cable from here. It's this one, it's a 10mm nut that is holding it. So this is the nut, like save them, do not drop them anywhere. And I moved this to have some freedom here. I disconnected this sensor, this contact to the sensor. And I'm gonna remove the big cable from the alternator and the small one. You see, here we have this one and this one. I have few adapters, and there we have the 12mm nut. I'm gonna just loosen it a bit, and then by hand I'm gonna remove it to be able to remove the cable. These are the 2 cables. This one, the big one, it has like 12mm bolt or like nut that is holding it, and it's easy to remove it. But this one, it was sitting hard, so you have to press this button the whole way and then pull it up, and slowly. Do not pull from the cable, otherwise you may damage it. I broke loose the upper bolt, and now the alternator can be like moving. I loosened the lower bolt here, and you can see. So this bolt there is sitting, this one, sorry, it's sitting on a edge, if you see this edge. So we're just gonna pull the alternator now upwards. We don't want the threads of this bolt here to come in because it's gonna make it wider. So we just pull up the alternator now and hold it at the same time because it's a bit heavy. And yeah, as you see here, I moved many things to be able to turn this bolt here. So here is how it was sitting. So I loosened the upper bolt and pulled it out, and I lift this AC line here. So I removed this 10mm ball that is holding it, and then I lifted a bit and I was able to take the bolt the whole way out. And at the same time you have to keep like holding it from underneath, and yeah, it may not fall directly, so just twist it back and forth and it will come down. So yeah, here is how things look like. I loosened the lower bolt first, it was easier, so I can twist it at the same time and like lift it a bit when I am removing the upper one. So here we have the pulley, you can hear it. I can feel the free movement. I'm gonna be working from here. I'm gonna remove this protection cover here, and then I'll show you how things look inside. This is the cover. So I popped it out and you can see how it looks inside. So I'm gonna show you which tool, or like what tools we are going to use here. It's like two tools at the same time. Or we can use the impact wrench and just loosen the wheel itself. It may work, it may not work. So let's see. So here is how the setup will look like. We have this, and it's a T50. And this is the special tools for this job. So this one is a bit bad, so I'm using another one. And we have this one, you see it. So they have to, like, you have to be able to hold both at the same time. I wasn't able to move it using the tools, so I'm just gonna use the impact wrench. You can maybe rent one, or if you have one, it will be good. You will see now. We're gonna turn it like this to the left. We're gonna loosen it like normal. So let's see. So it took like 2 hits, and as you see here, it's out now. We can check. It's rotating very good. So now we can install the new one. So this is enough, and the engine turns like this to the right, so it will tighten itself more. And see, I can turn it the other way by my hand and it's not loosening. So I'm gonna also tighten a bit more using the special tool just to make sure that everything is good, because like you cannot trust a impact gun. And then I'm gonna install things back. It was a bit harder to get it inside, because like at the same time you will put it inside and you will be holding it like maybe by one hand, so it's heavy. So this is like the main thing. And now I can put the lower bolt and start tightening things. So now I put it up first and I didn't tighten the bolt. I put the lower one, I tighten it, and then I tighten the upper one. Now I'm gonna put the belt, and I'm gonna put things like, I'm gonna finish down first. I'm gonna put the cover here and everything, then I'm gonna put things back here upside. So I put the cables, and this one you just like put it inside, but this one here, it has, you see there is a teeth here, so it has to go in the hole first, this one on the side, and then we can tighten the nut. So now we can do the rest here after I tighten that nut. Now I will reconnect this and I will tighten it. Now we have these. Now I have everything back here, so I'm gonna put the cover and start the car, and let's see. Everything is back now. You see? No weird noises and no problems. It's charging normally and it sounds normal again. You saw now how work was done. So there was the alternator, and we need to have access from above and from under, and we need the special tools also, otherwise it's not gonna go out. And in this case I didn't take the whole alternator out, but I just did it from there when it was still inside there. So if you like the video and like my work, you can like and subscribe to my channel. So